Stiff neck woke up with a neck that won't move. That dreaded stiff neck. It's usually just muscle strain from sleeping funny, poor posture while staring at your phone, or even stress. Basically, your neck muscles are screaming for a break. So what can you do? Gentle stretches are your best friend. Slowly tilt your head side to side, holding for 20 seconds. Then carefully look down, bringing your chin to your chest. Never force it. A warm compress can also work wonders to relax those tight muscles. If the pain is really bothering you, over-the-counter pain relievers might help, but always check with a doctor first. To prevent it from coming back, check your sleep setup. A supportive pillow is key. Also, take regular breaks from your screen and do some simple neck stretches throughout the day. Your neck will thank you for it. Stay mindful and stay flexible. Thanks for watching.